Hello everyone, this is Rob's videos on YouTube. Um, I'm here just to talk about being snowed in. I'm snowed in here in Michigan. Um, this is our first winter storm of 2026. This is towards the end of January 2026. And this is our first measurable snow. It's a bad one. A lot of southern moisture with it. That's why we're getting clobbered and snowed in. So currently I'm snowed in on Sunday. And it's definitely crazy. So, yeah, I'll show you some little bit of weather. So besides that, I'm snowed in, and yeah, we're supposed to be getting here in just south of Detroit Metro. We're supposed to be getting 5 to 8 inches, and then south of where I live is supposed to be a lot more, like 7 to 10 plus. In Toledo, Ohio, and the whole state of Ohio, that's where the major storm is. So yeah, everybody be safe out there. Stay warm, stay safe. Bye bye.